Ever found yourself staring at your screen, payroll deadline looming, wondering, does Xero just magically pay my employees? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a crucial one for any business owner using or considering using Xero. Because let's face it, payroll can be a real headache. Taxes, deductions, making sure everyone gets paid the right amount on time. It's a lot to juggle. So, wouldn't it be amazing if Xero just took care of it all automatically? Well, the short answer is a not quite. Xero doesn't automatically pay your employees in the sense of directly transferring funds from your bank account to theirs. Think of Xero as the brains of your payroll operation, not the brawn. It's incredibly powerful at calculating wages, deductions, and taxes, generating payslips, and keeping meticulous records. But the actual transfer of money? That's a separate step. Now, before you click away thinking this isn't the solution you were hoping for, hear me out. While Xero doesn't directly send the money, it integrates with other systems that do handle the payment side. This combination is where the real magic happens, and it can automate a significant portion of your payroll process. Let's break down how it works. Xero's core strength lies in its payroll functionality. You input your employee details, salary information, working hours, and any other relevant data. Xero then calculates gross pay, deducts taxes, which it keeps up to date with the latest regulations, handles superannuation or pension contributions, and generates payslips. It also creates detailed reports that you can use for your accounting and tax obligations. This is where Xero shines. It takes the complexity out of payroll calculations and record keeping, reducing the risk of errors and saving you a ton of time. But, as we've established, calculating the pay is only half the battle. You still need to actually pay your employees. This is where the integration aspect comes into play. Xero can integrate with your online banking platform or a dedicated payroll service. Let's talk about online banking first. Many banks offer direct bank feeds with Xero. This means that transactions, including payroll payments, can be imported directly into Xero. While this doesn't automate the initiation of the payment, it streamlines the reconciliation process. You can see the payment in your bank feed and match it to the corresponding payslip in Xero, ensuring everything lines up perfectly. However, for true automation, you'll want to look at payroll services. These services specialize in handling the actual transfer of funds. They integrate with Xero, allowing you to send payroll information directly to them. The payroll service then takes over, processing the payments to your employees' bank accounts. This is where you get the closest to a set-it-and-forget-it payroll system. Think of it this way. Xero calculates what needs to be paid, and the payroll service handles the actual payment. They work together seamlessly to create a streamlined and efficient payroll process. This eliminates the need for manual bank transfers, reducing the risk of errors and saving you even more time. Now, you might be wondering which payroll service is right for me. Well, that depends on several factors, including the size of your business, the complexity of your payroll, and your budget. There are numerous payroll services available, each with its own features and pricing structure. Some popular options include, mention a few relevant payroll services. It's worth doing your research and comparing different options to find the one that best suits your needs. Another important consideration is compliance. Payroll regulations can be complex and vary depending on your location. Xero and reputable payroll services are designed to stay up to date with these regulations, helping you avoid penalties and ensure you're always compliant. This is a huge benefit, as it takes the burden of keeping up with ever-changing rules off your shoulders. So, to recap, Xero itself doesn't automatically pay employees in the sense of directly transferring funds. However, it integrates with online banking and, more importantly, payroll services to automate the payment process. Xero handles the calculations, deductions, and record keeping, while the payroll service handles the actual transfer of funds. This combination creates a powerful and efficient payroll system that can save you time, reduce errors, and ensure compliance. Choosing the right payroll service is crucial for maximizing the benefits of this integration. Consider your business needs and compare different options before making a decision. Think about factors like cost, features, and integration with Xero. A little research up front can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Ultimately, while Xero doesn't magically make money appear in your employees' accounts, It provides the essential foundation for a highly automated payroll system. By integrating with the right payroll service, you can streamline your payroll process, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. It's a powerful combination that can make payroll a much less daunting task. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.